right, my good people, all the way from Augusta, Georgia, live here in Bellingham, we got Chrvns, formerly known as Papa Smirk, playing his unreleased music for y'all. Thank you for tuning in.
How we doing today? See you around like a donut, Carl. As we tune in right now, just want everybody to have a good time. Be ready to dance, so go ahead and get your stretches in. Get some cardio.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Here we go again. Here we go again.
What's up, my people? How y'all doing? How you doing? Man, we got you all warmed up now, right? Let me talk to you for a second. Wow. Please don't pay my man. Please don't pay my man. Please don't pay my family. You catch hands on God. Please don't pay my man. Please don't pay my man. Please don't pay my family. You catch hands on God. Please don't pay my money. Please don't pay my. Yeah, please don't pay my family. You catch hands on God. Please don't pay my money. Please don't pay my money. Please don't pay my family. You catch hands on God. What you thought it was? Anything black hot as fuck. Keep it real, got hit it right. Them titties out like it's Mardi Gras. Can't come this side of town. Legit, better get your stripes up. Day in, day out, I hold it down. Every time she hit my line up, she give me on it like I stretch. That's awesome. Don't say no good posture. End of the day, that's bossy. But profits don't make profits. No, them little boys love that saucy. But please don't see what caution. End up on a t-shirt, got a preacher, like, can I get a feature? Praise Jesus, got rid of them leeches, I'm a dreamer. Hit a procedure, I mean this is a bitch, but I need it. Keep your head in the bleachers, on speeches, and the butt the teachers. Stop doing it, here come my thesis. Ho, fuck the Jakes, let's celebrate. Fuck a job, they underpaid. Other ways, come my pocket straight. I ain't like you, man. Get the fuck up on my face. This monkey little honey, this right here reprogram. Please don't pay my money. Please don't pay my money. Please don't play my family. You get hands on God. Please don't play my money. Please don't play my money. Please don't play my family. You get hands on God. Please don't play my money. Please don't play my. Please don't play my family. You catch hands on God. Please don't play my money. Please don't play my money. Please don't play my family. You catch hands on God. Woo, baby, give me 1 second. I'm hot.
How y'all doing?
Oh, Lord Jesus. Oh. Yeah.
You are now tuned in to the greatest.
All right, check it out. One time for the one time. One time for the one time. Little bitch, let me step right in. Oh, this shit cool, you should bring your friends. Why you standing there like you wanna go dance? Gonna talk your shit, baby, this your jam. Yeah, that right there. How we so rare but still insecure. Rocking new lit flares. Hair color change when life occurs. Time to get the shit together. Life beat my ass, but it beat it for the better. 100 on the dash, speeding bullet to heaven. Money going fast, watch out how you spend it. Talking out your neck, bet you can catch a fade. But we not the same. 100 from the jump, I will never change. Focus on yourself, get the fuck out my face. Only here for good vibes as we surf through the sky. Look at the time. Let's go. Was to prove I told you the truth. So do what you do. Can't live a lie that'll eat you alive. So put aside your pride. If you know, heart full of gold, found the way home.
Oh yeah. I'm a straight shooter, baby. I'm a straight shooter, baby.
Play no games.
I'm a straight shooter, baby. I'm a straight shooter, baby.
Play no games. Break it down like the weed in your blunt. Had to break you off, you was needing too much. Like needing a lung, I couldn't breathe, that's enough. Things switched up, I was cooling in the cut. Life got colorful, vibey and outrageous. Around me at the cage, nope, can't contain this. Why forbidden fruit seems so enticing. Hit the blunt once, I'ma catch the itis. He slump. Wake up, nigga, wake up. You a dream chaser. It's time to get the paper. Gotta get it moving, nigga. Who you think will save you? Get up off your ass. It's time to get the paper. That's a game. Got the cheat codes. I'm a straight shooter. If you ain't know, you're cool. Fuck you. Got love for most straight from the south. I'm a straight shooter, baby. I'm a straight shooter, baby. I'm a straight shooter, baby. One more time, hold on. Only here for good vibes as we surf through the sky. Ooh, look at the time. Was to prove I told you the truth. So do what you do. Can't live a lie, it'll eat you alive. So put aside your pride. If you know. Heart full of gold, found the way home. Woo! At home, say hands up, hands up, hands up, rock women, ayy, ayy. What up, Slap? We're just gonna rap for a second. Y'all cool with that? Let me talk to you. It's like all the time and all the time. I'm just trying to find my peace of mind. but I can't ever find it for the life of me. Got a little baggage, but I bet you see the life in me. Marine soldier, one like seeing enemies. I tend to be a bit vicious, victorious versus my enemies. Wallflower, star power, the observant one. My friends is never sober, so I guess the fun is never done. We ain't got time for no bullshit. Know a nigga been acting a full sense. Back then, back when we was jit 706, nerdy nigga with the cool kids. Spirit knows all, listen to intuition in the mission involved. Oh, this nigga think he's spitting. Sit your ass down, there's still more to learn. There's more ahead than what's behind. Humble thyself, word. Always shit to say, but you never speaking business. Think it's common sense, what you niggas been missing. I'm trying to keep the family fed, can't tell what your intent is. Keep the spirit rich, primary mission, like live ammunition. We can't keep it off the streets. Stand at attention when you hear to really speak. Best believe I say my prayers before I lay my head to sleep. Only hoping for the glory, prosperity for my people. Cause they say that she said that he say, figure that out, cause y'all been just stuck on replay. Relay the message, y'all remain the message. Trying to clean it up, but I don't see nobody stepping. Want shit done, but do it yourself. Want shit done, you better do it yourself. What you doing out here, fresh out the cell? Let my mind redefined, but you still ugly as hell. Yeah. Shout out Klepto, shout out Black Noise. June 12th, Black Noise Records open on Bay Street. Go check that out. Love. Oh, hey, stop. That's not it. Oh, hold on, bro. Hey, we gonna do that one. Let me talk to y'all real quick. I hope everybody's having a wonderful time today. I hope y'all having a great time. No matter where you are in life, just know you got people that care about you and that you are loved. I call this my Lion King song. You get some experience points with this one. Find your purpose. It's hard work, but when you wake up in the morning, can you tell yourself it's worth it? Half these NPCs sleepwalking, performing for the circus. Rehearsing the same old verses, hours into days, months into years. It's disturbing, concerning. They say practice makes perfect, right? Speaking of, I wish I would have loved you right. I guess we'll never know now. But if you love a flower, let it go. Let it go. Let it grow. Let it grow. Whew. I got some intermissions I've been working on. Wish I would have learned these ways long time ago. Someone probably tried to teach me, I ain't listen. I'll make damn sure to teach my son these lessons. Destined for greatness, strive for nothing lesser. Be mindful of your actions, they come with consequences. What goes up must come down, consequently. Sometimes it's a slow crawl, it's not always instant. Path of least resistance always seem more appealing. But trailblazing, that's a different feeling. If I had the chance to go and do it all again, wouldn't change a damn thing, but that's just my experience. All right. Shout out Rocco. This is Rocco's Modern Life right here. You hear that? It's okay. You find your way, just keep. Oh, you hear that? It's okay. You find your way, just keep your peace. It's okay. You find your way. Hold on. It's okay. You'll find your way, just keep your pace. It's okay. You'll find your way, just keep your pace. It's okay. You'll find your way, just keep your pace. It's okay. You'll find your way. I found peace in letting go. Don't dwell on things you can't control. Remember that you're not alone when life gets rough. Showed you time and time before. Feel it deep within your soul. I just wanna let you know that you are loved. Tell them. You are loved. Talk to you right now. You are loved. Talk to him, come on. You are loved. You are loved. forget it. Don't you ever forget it. I start crying, y'all. Whew.
Bet you think you living good now.
Distorted view.
Mirrors in the fun house. You ain't really amped up, you run down.
Are we having fun now? The thrill of chasing sunsets, yeah. But ain't never done, no. The thrill of chasing sunsets, yeah. But ain't never done, no. Broken homes, broken mirrors, bad luck, seen to follow. Fuck it, pop a couple bottles, trying to drown out all these sorrows. That's why we celebrate, not my make it to tomorrow. Not my make it to present these flyers while you're here. Know how much it mean to me. I've been going through the most, chin up. Keep pushing, pin to pad. If I pass, know I made it to the league. Stories of my life, legendary. The thrill of chasing sunsets, yeah. But ain't never done, no. The thrill of chasing sunsets, yeah. But ain't never done, no. Fuck, I think I'm talking to. I guess it's me if it isn't you. You ain't making through. Really tryna bust about this institute. Intentionally eccentric, bitch, I float with no direction. I can see the red receipts, so I know you got the message.
Thanks.
Running the place, not a marathon. All about the journey, not know where you're going. The thrill of chasing sunsets, yeah. But ain't never done, no. The thrill of chasing sunsets, yeah. But ain't never done, no. I just need to, no if, you would join me, but you annoying.
Hey, yo, bro, chill. Hey, yo, no, right here.
Working on a weekend like usual.
Y'all get the rest of the song when it comes out, fools.
Niggas swear they passed us.
They doing too much. I just want to dance again if y'all cool with it.
I'm too turned up. Virgil got a
Flips and
panic
dips.
on my wrist going nuts.
Flips and dips.
Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Keep waking up, keep waking up, keep waking up, keep waking up.
Check, check, check. Go on, no, you good, you good. I wish I was a kid again. That thought crosses once every blue moon. December 21st evolved like Mewtwo. Same fit from last year, but I got new shoes. I'm tired of these hoes, parties, empty stories. Shit is boring. Y'all forcing too much. Relax, keep on pouring. Switch my algorithm, I'm a breathing shit tear meme. Color scheme on fleek, broke as fuck, the American dream. Glory to God, Allah, all the above. Y'all niggas sucks to be you. I'm coolin' in the cut. My life a comic book, running break the fourth wall. What that mean? I don't know, but that shit sound hard. I don't wanna waste your time. I know how to handle mine. If I make it, back at it like a crack addict. Heard it all before. Eyes is low, I ain't smoke. Just annoyed with your hoes, you the type. I ain't even gonna go there right now. But if I did, who you even know here right now? Just cop the ticket for the first commercial SpaceX flight. Tell my girl it's candy flip and have a SpaceX night. I'd say let's link again, but I done lost my appetite. Shit don't always go to plan, but we gon' be alright. I don't wanna waste your time. I don't know how to handle mine. If I make it out alive, if I make it, I don't wanna waste your time. I don't know how to handle mine. If I make it out alive, if I make it out alive. Woo! Wasted. All right. For everybody at home, this is an easy call response. I sing it, you sing it back with me. I know you. Come on. So I go da 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 da. Y'all got me? All right. I see you on the couch. Stand up right now. What you doing? Come on. You ready? Not a day goes by. I'ma chase my dream. Living on borrowed time. Living ain't cheap. I know you well. You used to think about me. 'Cause once I'm gone, I will finally be free. Not a day goes by. Sing that. I'ma chase my dream. Living on borrowed time. Living ain't cheap. I know you well. You used to think about me. 'Cause once I'm gone, I will finally be free. I will finally be free. I will finally be free. We ain't gonna end like that. Come on now. Woo. You already know the words now. So this time, not only can you sing it, you can dance along too. Let's go. Not a day goes by. I'ma chase my dream. Living on borrowed time. Living ain't cheap. I know you well. You used to think about me. 'Cause once I'm gone, I will finally be free. guys for having me. Y'all have a wonderful day. Get your exercise, drink more water, and stay safe. We're going to play one as I walk away. Y'all have a wonderful week.
Both sides like Chanel. Both sides like Chanel. Both sides like Chanel. My guy pretty like a girl, and he got 5 stories to tell. I see both sides like Chanel, see on both sides like Chanel. Women like screw boy, eating like I'm underworld. Hide my tattoos in Shibuya, police think I'm out the underworld. Well, I treat a nigga like you 12. How you looking up to me and talking down? Can't you see I am the big man? Level I am the I am. I come up with the drone camp and the pick a killer cam. Zone wanna stick, no way. I'm so close, I wanna kill. Control on your lower back, yeah, it's good. Dick on the eyes back in, so roll in, ride. Rollin' when you ride, ride the ride. I won, street acting dirty like some dirty like the God. 2016 rushing this, 2017 ideas playing off Walgreens. This is called not a click on the net with a cup in a cup. That's a double edged, it's a knife. I don't like to fight, I'm fighting. Revenge in the air, make my lungs sick. Chopper in the style like a country. Whips on clips like Mike. Oh, it's really all. See both sides like Chanel. It's really you. Both sides of the 12, see both sides of the L. Free smoke rings in their house, sleep no grind for the wealth. Whole team diamonds is real, show them how to shine by themselves. You need a cosign for your help, I need a Mr. Grind on my belt. I know you need to drive for my belt, I know you see the drive in itself. No back click on the ride cause it's style, but it's style. I see both sides like Chanel. I see both sides like Chanel. My pockets low, they can't hold my cell phone, they ban my Visa. My Amex and MasterCards, I got new money and it's all cash. I got new bags and they all collect. I got new